if your LinkedIn marketing strategy or campaign isn't performing at the level that you want it to, there's two elements that you probably haven't got fully dialed in. Number one is the offer or the hook or the angle that you're using isn't compelling enough. And number two, it's probably going to the wrong person that just simply doesn't value it enough. And if you can get both of those elements right, where the angle and the hook is very appealing and very low risk to the person that you're presenting it to, and the upside is enormous, and you're getting it to the right person that sees the value in that, it'll completely transform the results you're getting. And I'll give you an example. So if you go to someone that doesn't run a business whatsoever, and you present them with a business strategy, and it could have the potential to make them millions of dollars in the right hands, it's of zero value to them because they don't own a business. Whereas that same piece of information, that same strategy could be worth 10 million, 100 million to a CEO of a big company. So you've got, say, maybe a 10 or $100 million value scenario with the same information and $0 value in that first example. And that's what happens a lot on LinkedIn. You'll find that you probably get some messages, you go, that's of no value to me. That's not a fit. And this is where people are getting it wrong. Whereas if they put that to the right person at the right time, they go, oh, that's super valuable to me because it solves a problem that I'm looking to solve. So you need to almost go back to square one and go, okay, who can we solve the biggest problems for with our products or services? Who are they? Where are they located? What companies do they work in? What industries? What roles and titles do they have in those companies? And what's one way that we can present it that completely eliminates the risk? Is there some sort of free trial, free chat, sample of the product or service? What can you do where if they're able to explore that solution that solves their problems, they can take a look at it, and there's very little downside to investing that time or taking that chance, whatever it is. If you can get that element right, you'll completely transform the success of your LinkedIn marketing. So go back to that first square, get that person, that end user who's going to have the biggest value exchange from receiving your solutions, and then make sure that you get a minimal risk, minimal downside offer in front of them if you're presenting a marketing campaign on LinkedIn, and you'll transform the results overnight. If you enjoyed that little bit of information, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We try to drop regular videos to help you get more leads and grow your business on LinkedIn. If you've got a question, put it below, and also smash that like button as well so we know that you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.